How to get $100 Pizza Hut promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right, you will find the search icon, click on it. Now type in Pizza Hut and search for it. With that, you will land to the Pizza Hut coupon codes page. In this page, you will be able to find great deals and offers. Just scroll down and check out. Pizza Hut is an American multinational pizza restaurant chain and international franchise founded in 1958. The business, staffed by friends and family, served the newest food trend in America. The business thrived instantly and the company took off when its first franchise restaurant opened in Topeka. Now it's the largest pizza company in the world with more than 11,000 restaurants in 90 countries. Pizza Hut is also known for its innovative pizza. It invented the pan pizza and the stuffed crust pizza. Excellent customer service, quality pizza, and many novelties helped the brand become a global giant. To get discount on menu of Pizza Hut, you can use these offers: $5 off, 50% off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the offer, click on the option of See Details. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code if it is valid or not. Once you check that, you can use the code. Now you can copy it. You can head towards the website of Pizza Hut, and whenever you check out, you can apply this code and get the discount. In the case you want to use this code right away, click on this option, Redeem at Pizza Hut. You will be directed to the official website of Pizza Hut, and then you can log into your account, and while you check out, you can apply this code. By applying the same process, you can grab other deals of Pizza Hut. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Pizza Hut promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.